To my channel, and here we are going to be working on this problem. It happens to be a wire question, though it's been long that this question was given, but I'm thinking that we can repeat it, as we have seen in so many questions that WAEC has given to the candidate that wrote technical drawing. Okay, let's go without wasting our time to look at what we have to do with this problem. As we have here, that figure 4 shows the front elevation of a hexagonal prism side 25 with a hole diameter 30. Draw full size the following. Question A, given elevation. Question B, plan. Question C, end elevation. And question D, true shape on plane XX. Alright, so what we are going to do here is that we are going to have 3 videos for this work. I want to make sure you are able to follow and you're able to learn the solution one by one, or one after the other. So I'll be solving question A and B in one video. Question C will be another video, and question D will be another video. Now let's go and see the dimensions on the given diagram. As you can see here, that we have what? We have our distance from here to here is 50, and distance from here to here, that total height is 60, and the cutting plane is at angle 30 degrees to the horizontal. So what we are going to do first in solving this problem is that we are going to draw a vertical center line. We draw a vertical center line, okay? Alright, so then we draw a horizontal center line. So we draw a horizontal center line, and it goes in this direction. Alright, so then the next thing that we are going to do, as we are told that the length or side of the hexagonal prism is 25, so we are going to take a measurement of 25 millimeters. That 25 stands for distance across corners. It stands for distance across corners. So the distance across corners, actually the distance across corner is 50 millimeters. It's 50 millimeters. So the side is 25 if the distance across corner is 50. So we take a measurement of 25 millimeters. Okay, so this is 25 millimeters. So putting the midpoint of the compass here where the two lines intersect, and we draw a circle. So we draw a circle. So this circle, we just want to use it to get what we need. That is to get the hexagon. Okay, so it's okay like this. If you can't see it, we are going to see the hexagon. So we put the midpoint at this point, and we make an arc here, up here, and also down here. Okay, then we also put it at this point, and then we make an arc here. Also make an arc down here. Alright, so we have this point. So there's a point here. So there's a point here. So there's a point here, and there's a point here. And then we have a point here, and we also have a point here. So we are going to number this point. So I will call this one, this is point 1, this is point 2, this is 3, this is point 4, this is point 5, and this is point 6. So we join this point together to obtain a hexagon of length 25. So we are joining this together, and also so we join this together. Then so we also join this point together. Okay. Also we join this point together. Alright, so then we join this point together, and then we join this point together. So I want us to take our time to get this work done. So now, so this is the hexagon. Then, so the question also says that we have a hole of diameter 30 in the prism. We have a hole of diameter 30 in the prism. So if we divide that 30 by 2, that will give us 15. So we take a radius of 15 millimeters. So for the hole, so we take 15 millimeters on our ruler. Then we put the midpoint at this point here. Then we draw a circle. So we draw a circle like this. Okay, so we have this circle. So the next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to divide the okay, so what I'm going to do is that we are going to connect this point, or before that, I will come back for that. So what we are going to do now is that we are going to come up a little bit and we draw a horizontal line. Then having drawn this horizontal line from this point 1, so we draw a vertical line. It's a prism, so the vertical line goes up like this. And from point 6, we draw a vertical line. Then from point 5, we draw a vertical line, and from point 4, we draw a vertical line. Now, so we take the measurement of the height of the prism. So the total height is 60. So we take 60 millimeters from here. This is 60 millimeters. And then, so where the cutting plane touches this side is 50 millimeters from the bottom of the prism. So we have this. So I'm going to draw a horizontal line here, like this. Okay, then we also have that the cutting plane is at angle 30 degrees to the horizontal. Is at angle 30 degrees to the horizontal. So I will take my set square. So then I'm going to draw the cutting plane. So like this. So we have the cutting plane. So being drawn. Alright, so this is the cutting plane. So cutting plane XX. So put X here. And this is also X. So this part is cut off. So what we have left is here. So this line would be a thick line. So this line is a thick line down here. And we also have this line to be a thick line. So this line is a center line. So we leave that, and then so we're taking this line, and we also make this line a thick line. Then the base also should be drawn thick. So we need to have this drawn. Okay, so and then the next thing that we are going to have here is that this circle, I'm going to divide it into 8 equal parts. I'm going to divide it into 8 equal parts. So we already have it divided into 4 equal parts. So I'll just use my 45 degree set square to draw a line. So from here to here, and also from here to here. So we have divided it to 8 equal parts as we have here. So as we have divided the circle into 8 equal parts, I've labeled this the point on the circle, and I made them to be in letter form. This is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Now, so we go on to show this on the front elevation, but in this case, it's going to be hidden. The circle is going to be hidden in the front elevation. So this line, so we draw a vertical line from this point A. Also from point BH, so we draw a vertical line, just take it from H up, and then so from DF, so we draw a vertical line, so from F, just take it from F, and also from point E here, so we draw a vertical line like this. Okay, so having done this, the next thing that we are going to do is that we need to show these lines, we need to show them hidden in the front elevation. So this line, we draw it with a short dashes line, so we must do that, and that is what I'm doing here. Also, this line will be drawn with a short dashes line. Okay, then this line, we also draw it with a short dashes line. Then this line is also drawn with a short dashes line. Alright, so that is it for the circle. So now, so for the plan, because this part is cut off and it's a solid, so what we are going to do now is that we are going to hash this surface here. we are going to hash this surface, and I'm going to do it right now. So when we are done with this, that means we have completed, we have answered question A and B. We have answered question A and B. So then we are going to have another video for question C, and then we have another video for question D. So we are arching the surface right now. So you must arch the surface. This is a solid object. This part is a solid part of the hexagonal prism. Okay, so we need to hash this surface. Alright, so this is the front elevation and this is the plan. So you have answered question A and B. Let's meet on question C for another video.